Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you enable Affirm in your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to enable Affirm in your Stripe account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if you're doing high ticket, by enabling Affirm, it gives your customers a chance to split up larger payments, which can help with conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to enable Affirm payments in your Stripe account, you're going to click on this gear icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see this button here called payments. It looks like a wallet. Once you do that, you'll see these options here at the top, but you want to click on payment methods. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a list of different payment methods, but you want to scroll down until you see the Affirm logo. It's this purple and white one right here. And then off to the right of that, you're going to click on the turn on. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now, if your business is supported, which mine is not, you should see an active symbol right here. If it's an unsupported business like mine for consulting service, it'll alert you unsupported business right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to enable Affirm payments in your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.